Hey scooter friends, welcome to our new video. I am here today in H&M's in my franchise store VT Micro Vehicles. I find it a bit crazy that there are currently 4 vehicles here that have been optimized by the customer themselves via smartphone and now have a defect. There are more and more videos on YouTube about the topic of e-scooter tuning. Most of the time it's about the manufacturer Ninebot or Xiaomi because the whole thing works really easily here. Via smartphone, via the Bluetooth interface, you can install your own firmware or customize the firmware. Meanwhile, there is even an app where you can customize the whole thing live, but be careful, you can really break a lot here. We have e-scooters here, i.e. you can't access it with your phone anymore due to wrong firmware, so you have to replace components. We have scooters with broken overheated engines, we have scooters where the controllers have burned out, we have scooters where the batteries of the BMS are broken. That's why the whole thing should be enjoyed with caution. What I can recommend to you with a clear conscience is the Schauflascher app. What's really cool here is that you can simply select the scooter region, so a country selection, and you can also downgrade the scooter here depending on which country you live in. You have to find out the legal regulations yourself and ideally also adhere to them. Can you change the region here? For example, we now have a G30D here. International version actually runs at 25 to 30 km/h. We can now set this one here in Germany and can then downgrade it. Do you have to turn on the scooter here, connected? Then we go to change region and now I have the choice here, Germany 20 km/h worldwide, for example. For us here in Austria 25 or American 30, you can do this with a clear conscience, of course only as quickly as allowed in your country. You only change max speed, don't access current strength, etc., i.e. no need to worry about anything happening to you or the scooter, stay assured. What I can still suggest to you is a brand new application called CO-, sending greetings to the Survival Masters community. They made a really cool video here. We are happy to provide you with the link. Those who are interested will explain to you in detail what settings options you have here. Here you can really adjust the current individually. Here there is even a speed boost where you can adjust. For example, here it is now from 26 km/h, it is reinforced with 8 amperes of power, and then there is a multiplier. For each additional km/h it is multiplied, and that is exactly where you can damage your scooter. Additionally, it is naturally tempting to begin editing the firmware to extract the maximum potential from it, and during the process it can easily occur that something malfunctions on the scooter. The driver says, hey, the scooter was way too fast, the whole thing will now be examined by an expert, and they are not stupid either. They can also watch these videos on YouTube. They will find out that this scooter was optimized, and what happens then? The insurance is withdrawing. That implies he must endure all the expenses personally, and I wouldn't desire that for anyone since it will be exceedingly costly. Additionally, the scooters are not designed for driving at speeds exceeding 40 km/h. It is simply dangerous. As a result, this video should serve as a concise update warning video specifically tailored for your needs. Just enjoy the whole thing with caution before you do something like that. Consider if it makes sense, if you need it. Naturally, warranty and guarantee claims are also forfeited. You have a reduced range, and typically it also ventures into the unlawful territory. Well, that's actually it from us. Just a short update video. Cool that you were there. Subscribe to the bell and don't miss any exciting videos.
See you later, Renee. Goodbye.